Here's how to slow down a video within Canva. First, left click on your video, then go to Edit in the top toolbar. And on the playback right here, move the video speed fader to the left to slow down your video. Now, as you can see, the slowest setting is 0.25. But in case you want to make this even slower for a real slow-mo video, what you can do is the following. You go to Share in the upper right corner of the screen, make sure the file type says MP4 video, and then you download it. Make sure to download that at 0.25 video speed, of course. Once downloaded, go to Uploads in the left sidebar, and then re-upload your slowed down video. I simply drag and drop it into this area right here to do that. Then delete your original footage. And once our re-uploaded video has uploaded again, drag and drop it into the video. Set video as background, then left click on the video, go to Edit again on top, and now simply reduce the video speed again. And like this, you can easily turn your video into a real slow-mo video. And that's it, guys. This is how you slow down a video within Canva. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials.